Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liv Celene. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back to view more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, so today's video is another beauty video all about makeup. So during this quarantine, basically like CVS and Walgreens are the only like drugstores or anything that'll have like makeup and beauty, skin type stuff that I need that I can just like walk in and grab and go. So I decided it'd be a fun idea to do a drugstore makeup tutorial. Everything is not about being from high-end places or from Sephora or whatever. You can get some really good stuff out of the drugstore. So I thought I'd just film this for you guys and show you what we come up with. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face. So I picked up this E.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. So I'm just gonna put a few pumps in my hand and then just start working this all into my face. It feels very like airy, I don't know, like lightweight. It's just gliding on my skin, and I feel like the way it feels is making me think it's gonna help like my foundation and stuff apply on really smoothly. Okay, so now that we are good and primed, I am going to do my eyebrows. So I just got a little E.l.f. pencil, I actually used to use this one specific one all the time until I just like ran out and got another pencil. But yeah, so we're just going to draw the eyebrows. And girl, quarantine, my eyebrows have not been done. This is the thing with my eyebrows. My eyebrows don't grow very thick or fast, like at all. The last time I got my eyebrows done was New Year's Eve. I ain't got my eyebrows done this year, y'all. And it's like, I just ain't got no eyebrows. I don't know. They don't grow thick. Like I have definitely cleaned up a little bit with tweezers underneath, but like I don't even know how to tweeze that well. So if anything, I got maybe like 3 or 4 hairs from each brow. But like, yeah, girl, I haven't had to do too much. Okay, so next we are just going to carve out underneath our eyebrows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And this is my go-to. This was not a new purchase. I already use this to do my eyebrows. So we're just gonna take that and begin to sculpt out underneath. I'm actually just gonna take some of that and put that on my eyelid as well. Okay, so now that eyebrows are on, let's go ahead and jump into our base. One thing that I've mentioned that I really want to work on is color correcting. So I went ahead and got the color corrector from LA Girl Pro Concealer in the dark orange, and pretty much any type of color correcting like chart color picker I've seen is darker skin tones need to do the darker orange color. So that is what I have. Go right in. So for color correcting, I always want to do just around my mouth, kind of like these smile lines in here, under my eye is gonna be a big area. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. All right. So again, just gonna go in with a brush. I, guys, have been really liking brushes over like beauty sponges lately. I might be turning into a brush girl, y'all. But let's just go in here and start to blend her down. Okay, so my thing is I've never color corrected before, so I'm feeling like this is obviously like way too much. Somebody let me know. My foundation should cover it pretty okay, but I don't know, is this too much? Am I supposed to blend it down more? Let's just stop. So next, let's do foundation. I got the Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline in shade 370. So I was actually unsure about what color to get, so I also grabbed 375. And I'm feeling like 375 honestly can be like a contour shade because these are really different. So we shall see, honey. And when I talked about being a brush girl earlier, the main thing is foundation. Like, I am loving my foundation with a brush versus a beauty blender or beauty sponge. I also got some new e.l.f. brushes, drugstore. So I'm taking the buffing foundation brush and I'm just putting that in the foundation I put on my hand. And we're just going to go into perfect. It's that orange is covering up. Okay, great. Okay, so we have our foundation on. This was definitely the right shade for me. The orange covered right up, except right where I got a little close on my waterline. It's a little bit of orange, but concealer will probably cover that up. So, and I'm not sure if it's the foundation coverage or the color correcting, but I have a really recent bad acne scar on the corner of my nose. It's literally just a black dot right now because I popped it, but it's undetectable. Like, you cannot see it at all right now. So that is great. Yeah, guys. Brush for foundation is the move. I don't even know, like, why, who told me that it needed to be done with a freaking beauty blender. So let's add some dimension into our face. So I'm actually going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso again. And since this is just like my skin tone concealer shade, I'm going to put that under my eyes and then we'll go in with a little bit more of a brightening shade. And then right on top of that, I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. And I'm just going to place that on a few areas I want to brighten. And so now we are going to jump back to beauty blenders. I'm just going to take my sponge. So now for setting spray, I'm going to go in with black Opal in the shade medium. Did I say setting spray? Setting powder. Alright, so the shade that I was talking about a little earlier that was just a bit too dark for my skin is the 375 in the foundation. And I guess, you know, drugstores just aren't there yet. Girl, I couldn't find a actual contour product that would be a contour on my skin tone. So since I already grabbed this foundation, I think this will be dark enough. So we're just gonna go in with that. On camera, this looks like it's not that dark, but on In person, it definitely looks like it could be a contour. So next, let us take another beauty blender, sponge, and let's just start. Okay, so I'm just going to take this Flawless face brush and just dust that off. Okay, so for a few final touches, I'm just going to go in with the FitMe powder and nutmeg, which is $3.65. I'm just going to set down my face. I think I actually really like this foundation. Okay, so I'm going to take the palette that I've been holding as a mirror, which is my Makeup Revolution palette. I think it's like the candy bar palette. I use it for Valentine's Day, but it's the only drugstore one that I have. So I literally am just going to pop a little brown into my crease and maybe put a little bit of shimmer on top. And then I am going to pop this really subtle kind of shimmery brownish purplish kind of Coca-Cola color. Alright, so last, let's see, is this last? It's not quite last. Just gonna take the most shimmery color in here, which is probably this Tarte color. Pop it on my cheeks. I'm just going to pop a little bit of the pink on the lower lash line. So this is super random. I wasn't expecting to do an eye look at all, but got a little pink shimmer going on. Okay, now we have arrived at lips. I'm just gonna be taking these two NYX products, just True Brown for the lip liner and then Butter Gloss in Gingersnap. So I'm going to go apply lashes really quickly off camera and then I will be back with the finished look. Okay guys, so I am back. And last but not least, we are going to finish everything off with this NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Alright, so that completes the look. Ended up being this kind of pinky tone, just natural, neutral look. But yeah, I am definitely pleased with this, especially it being all drugstore. Everything I grabbed just out of Walgreens or CVS, so I think this is definitely a super easy and affordable little go-to look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I really hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!